We live by our motto, inspiring confidence today and in your future. We understand time is a precious resource, and small changes made today can shape your life in meaningful ways over the decades to come.
Our financial planning process aligns your unique plan with your ever-changing life and goals, which, if not tended to regularly, can be disorganized, muddled, and confusing.
Life has a way of accumulating clutter if we don't actively tidy up. Your finances are no exception. Over time, the moving pieces can get disorganized. Investments here, accounts there, thoughts and plans scattered about. Before you know it, your financial life is cluttered and unmanageable. But you don't have to let it stay that way. We're here to help you straighten things up and gain clarity, to streamline and simplify, to consolidate and strategize.
Working together, we can organize all aspects of your financial life into a cohesive whole. Declutter the overwhelming mix of financial details into clear categories and actionable next steps tailored just for you. Regain control and confidence over your money by cleaning up the clutter once and for all.
Unfortunately for some, recognizing the need for smart planning sometimes comes after they've learned a hard lesson or faced an unexpected hardship. But you don't have to wait for that point. You can initiate small, actionable steps today. Let's connect and get started.